Hello, in this video we'll be showing the use of the activity package offers and the allowances in the activity module. So I will start with just creating a new reservation, and it's going to be a spa reservation, and we're gonna just give it a unique name here, like it in spa. So I select the product. In this case, it's the Comfort Spa package I'm buying, and I want to go 3 o'clock today. So when I added this to the reservation, we can see that the Comfort Spa package is added here, and it opened up any related activities. In this case, the spa access. And then we also have the food and beverage associated with this product, which is a glass of red wine. It's included, and the selection of coffees. So when I confirm this booking, this reservation, we will see here it actually issued what we call package allowance. And if we take a drill down to the package allowance, it is associated with this reservation, this activity reservation. And if we look at the entries of the allowance, we can see we issued red wine and a coffee selection. So now I'm gonna go to the POS, and the customer is coming to the spa. In this case, they could either pay up front or they could pay afterwards. And we're just gonna pay up front the reservation, and then the customer is gonna use their allowance. So just to take a quick look, it's going to be the Eckert in Spa reservation. So I'm going to pay this, started paying the reservation. So I'm going to search for Eckert Inn, and here is the reservation. I'm going to pull it into the POS and finalize the sale. So basically the customer is paying up front for the spa access, the red wine and the coffee selection. So the sale is now finalized, and we can see the customer has now fully paid reservation. So now the customer goes to the restaurant and they want to pick up the red wine or pick up their coffee, and either you might have a bracelet or something linked to the reservation, or you could manually select the reservation. So now I'm gonna select this manually, find the reservation manually, and Eckert in Spa, that's the one. So when I pull it into the POS, I'm basically linking the current sale to this particular reservation. At this point, I can click on View Allowance. View Allowance will then show me all food and beverage items or retail items that are related to this reservation and are included in the customer's package. In this case, they can have a glass of wine, or they could select one of these coffee options, the coffee cup or the latte, espresso, whatever we've set up as been part of the offer. In this case, the customer is going to pick up their glass of wine, and we're also going to pick up an espresso. So at this point we can hit total or check allowance, whatever our POS setup it has prepared. But in this case we just put up a button that is like a total button, and that would then match any items in the journal to the outstanding allowances of this particular client. So we can see now the balance has been set to 0, basically because the red wine and the coffee is included in the package which they've already paid. So I'm just going to finalize this sale with the balance of 0. And if we take a look at the reservation, and we go back to the allowances. So if we take a look at the allowance related to this reservation, it has been closed, and the consumption has been recorded and finalized. So the package offers and allowances basically allows you to sell product up front, have it paid or either upfront or afterwards, and then the customer can pick up and consume whatever the food and beverage products or retail products even are included in the package, so they can pick them up at any stage and it will be matched with their allowance. This is everything around the use of the packages and allowances at the POS. Thank you.